Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chef here. Tonight for dinner I am making Korean dish, kimchi stew. But I am kicking it up a notch by adding this. It is a canned tuna in oil. If this combination sounds pretty crazy, trust me, it works. It is by far the definition of the soul food that will warm your heart and your soul. Now the very foundation of this dish is of course kimchi. I want to point out that the quality of the kimchi you use here is very important. It must be sour and of a very high quality. I encourage you to travel to Asian market or in particular Korean market if you can find. Unless you make your own. Where I live, I tried many different kimchi brands that are sold in regular grocery stores in organic sections. And I must say, while they're probably really good for you, and some of them are quite tasty, but they just don't measure up. So I highly recommend going out and getting really good, high quality kimchi. Well, with that, let's get started. Well, friends, here's everything that we'll need to make this dish. I'm going to use about a cup of this Korean radish, but regular daikon will do, or you can skip it altogether. I have tuna, no flavor, big chunks. You can use any tuna you want, but of course we'll drain it and I'll use the whole can. I have 2 cups of water. Star of the show is kimchi. This is the brand I like. We'll use 2 cups. I have dashima here, dry kelp. If you don't have, you can also use kombu. Japanese kombu is for sale in many grocery stores I see. This is a tablespoon and a quarter of gochugaru, hot pepper flakes. This is a tablespoon of chicken powder, this one. 4 cloves of garlic here, and the green chili pepper just for garnish at the very end. So let me chop things and get back with you. Guys, I want to include unpacking this kimchi for you so you can see the difference. Look at this color and the smell. This is what I'm talking about. I don't think that any brand that I've ever tried out of regular grocery store organic section ever can compare. We'll use 2 cups of kimchi. You tell me. Must try it. It's nice and sour, exactly what you want for this dish. On a high heat, preheat this pot, which won't take long. Couple tablespoons sesame oil going in. Going in with the garlic. And the hard parts of green onion. And almost all of it. Leave 1/4 tablespoon of gochugaru behind. It's a little dry, need a little bit more oil. Going with kimchi. Just let it warm up a little bit. Move to one side. Going in with a radish on this side. Onions. And water. Add in dashima. Chicken powder. So as you can see, it starts to boil. Gonna go ahead, cover it and simmer for 20 minutes. Okay, so let's see what kind of beautiful things are happening here. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells so good. It's time to add tuna. I drained most of it, but I definitely want some to remain. Dump it right in the center. Like this. And a little more gochugaru. And now bump up the heat and let some water reduce for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, my favorite time, taste time. This dish. Let's start with the broth. It's so good. It's sour. It's spicy, of course. I'm telling you, the kimchi quality is the important factor here. Radish with kimchi. It's so good. Got a little onion, radish, kimchi, and chili pepper. Chili pepper is hot this time. I've got tuna and kimchi with some broth on this bite. It is fantastic. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. As long as you have good quality sour kimchi, this dish is going to absolutely amaze you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. All my best wishes to you as always. Please take care. Till the next time. Thank you for watching.